We are going to practice our understanding of symmetry by drawing bugs, and we're also going to create at least one pattern somewhere on our bug. So you get to decide where. Take a look at all the examples that are on your Google Classroom to help you get some ideas. Your bug does not have to look like mine. This is just one example. Put your name and teacher code on the back. Don't forget to draw very big, and remember, there's tons of different sizes lids all over this classroom and different things that you could trace around to get different shapes of your bug as well. So get creative. If you recall, symmetry means that something is the same on both sides. So if something's symmetrical, like a symmetrical shape would be exactly the same on both sides, kind of like our bug. So if we folded our bug in half, it's going to have the same thing on each side. It would match up. Start by drawing the eyes nice and large near the top. If you want to do anything, any antennas or anything, leave a little bit of space for that. Your eyes should be probably around the size of a golf ball. And if you need a lid or something to trace around, that's perfectly fine. But it's almost more interesting when the lines are yours and not from a lid. Okay. When you get your eyes perfected, decide how you want to create your head. So the beetle that I created had kind of a slightly curved line right here. So it just kind of goes and dips just slightly, just like that. And then you add just little curves on either side of the eyes. So I'm trying to keep this nice and large. I don't want my bug to start getting skinny. And then it just has a sort of curved rectangle or kind of a kidney bean shape even. Really just depends on what you want your bug to look like. Remember, it doesn't have to look like mine. So you could start your head like this, and you could add wings, you could add more legs. It's really up to you. So for my body, I think just to mix it up, we'll use the circle to get something a little different. And also, if you're worried about drawing something too small, these lids can help you to make sure that they stay nice and large. So we're filling up our paper and not leaving a bunch of negative space. And then maybe I want a point kind of at the end, sort of like I did with my original. And I'm drawing nice and lightly so that I can erase if I need to. Okay, so I kind of have the body of my bug. Now I can decide if I want to add wings and how many legs, where I want my patterns, and so on. When your bug drawing is complete in pencil, then grab a black marker and trace every single pencil line. And remember, you should have at least one area of pattern of your choice. If you want to do more than one, that's perfectly fine. And then when you're 100% done tracing every single line in black, so you can see it very, very well, then start coloring extremely dark in crayons, just regular crayons.